Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to another video of Grow with Ranjit Raj. In today's video we are going to learn how to create a Facebook cover picture, or you might call it Facebook cover banner, cover photo. There are multiple names but the use is the same, that on Facebook along with profile picture there is a banner or a cover photo that you need at the top section. So that is what we are going to design today. Now it is very important, if you are a brand or if you are a personal brand yourself, or if you have certain things that you want to showcase to your audience, then to have a Facebook cover with all the details of who you are and what you're doing, what services you are providing, it's very beneficial, because ultimately your audience is going to know that who exactly you are and how can you help them. Now, if you have a general personal account, then you just put up your picture, like your own picture, your family picture, whatever, whoever is close to you. But in this way, the way I am going to teach you how to create Facebook cover, if you use that, it is definitely going to help you in growing your brand and in making people aware that what exactly your brand is all about. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to canva.com, like I am right here, and then you need to write Facebook cover. Okay, so the Facebook dimension that we are going for is 1640 into 924 pixels. All right, now there are different dimensions which are visible on your desktop, and different way, the same cover will look in a different size ratio when it comes to a mobile phone. So what we are going to do is, we will create such a Facebook cover which will go well with both, in both way it will look good, like on desktop view as well as on your phone view. So I'll just take a blank Facebook cover from here, because we are going to design from scratch. Although there are a lot of options over here, if you want you can go for free options or paid option, but I just wanted to show you how to do it from scratch so that you know how it works, and later on if you want you can play around with other designs as well. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is, I'll change the background color. So I'll go for a blue kind of a color. So the color that I would like is, I have the hex code for that, it's called 1A192E. Alright, this is the blue color I'm going for. After that, I'll go to elements, scroll down, I'll find something called frames, see all, and here I will look up for a circle. Okay, I need a circle which has a band like this, so that I can put some other color inside it, and inside of this frame I can put in our picture. Mine and Ranjit's picture will be here. So this outer section, let me change it to a yellow color. What is that yellow color? If it is FCBF01. Okay, so this is the yellow color I'm going for. I'll just increase the size a little bit. That's it, and put my circle like that. All right, after that I'll go to elements. I'll take a square. Luckily it came into the same color, but if you want you can change the color from here as well. Now you just need to just move it like this, just rotate it like that and place it like this. Now I want this thing to be behind my circle, so I'll just go to position and send it backward. Alright, so here you can see that there is one problem, that this thing is merging with my circle. So to just make sure it doesn't happen, I'll go to transparency and I'll decrease the transparency a little bit, so that it looks like this one is more highlighted. Alright, after that I will find a picture of us. So I have a photo of ours that I would like to upload. So let me just get that photo real quick. You can upload it from your mobile phone, you can upload it from your desktop, wherever you have saved it, you can just use that picture. Suppose this is the photo I want. I have uploaded it right now in front of you, and I'll just drop it. Now double click, I want to adjust it. I'll increase the size and make sure whatever is the right size, like whichever portion of our photo I want to showcase, I'll just make sure only that part is visible. Alright, After this, I would like to add some extra effects also. So for that, I will go to elements, and here I will search for retro shaped decorative. Okay, it's called retro shaped decorative, and elements is also there. You'll find something like this. Alright, so for this one, I will change this black color to, let's say, white color, and this pink one will become the yellow color that I am already using. Then I will just rotate it a little bit. I'll place it into the corner, and if required, you can decrease the transparency a little bit so that your photo is your main highlight and not this. Okay, slightly you can decrease. I've kept it at 85. You can see whatever you like, you can go with that. Now after that, I would like to add one more element. It's called white dynamic element. Okay, and you will find this particular dots. So I will decrease the size of these dots, and I will just move it like this along with this particular line. It should look like it is actually going along with this particular line over here. Alright, and I will decrease the transparency for this also. Same, I will copy one more. So copy paste and place it in this corner. Okay, it looks this is a very subtle design that I have added, but it adds up something to your empty canvas and it looks nice. Okay, if you want, you can add another circle also. Okay, and increase the size. So just make sure that it is bigger than the circle that you have already. Okay, so I'll just increase it like this. Now let me change the color to white so that I can see when I send it backwards. So I'll just place it here. Alright, and position, or you can go to layers also, and you just need to make sure that your layer is beneath the photo layer. Okay, can you see how beautiful it looks? So just a thin border needs to be there like that. Alright, that's what I wanted. That's what I was aiming for. If you want to add a gradient effect in this circle, you can do that. Just go to the color, select, go to gradient, and along with white, why not use some yellow kind of an effect? Okay, so how does it look like? It looks like it's a halo kind of an effect, or just gradient kind of effect that we have, and it looks nice. Alright, after this we will have to add some text also. So for text, I am adding a font. First of all, I'll take a ruler. How to get a ruler? I'll go to file and go to view settings, and you have to turn on this option. It's already on. Okay, so this is called ruler. You will take a ruler, you will place it right here. Alright, and then I will use this text, and the first thing I'm going to write is, let's make it left aligned, and I'll write grow your business with us. Alright, so that is what our tagline is, or that is what we want to convey. And if you want, you can make it little tilted also. So I am just turning on this italics option, italics or italics. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but yeah, I hope you understood what exactly I want to say. After that, I'll just copy this and I will write caps lock on Ranjit Raj, but I need a different font for this one so that it looks nice. For that, I will go for Montserrat font, Montserrat semi bold. Okay, and I don't want italics to be here, so I'll just make it straight. And now I would like to increase the size of it. Let's say, let me just do it like this, and alright, I think this much is fine, and I'll just place it here. Alright, and let's change the color to our yellow color so that it matches nicely. Then the next part of our brand, it's called marketing media. Okay, now M needs to be capital, And this one I will try to make it of the same size. So if you want, you can take a ruler also, place it at the end of J, and see, you just need to match the second line also. So what happens, the font size is different for both of the the size of the text is different, but again it's looking nice because it's of the same width, if you can see here. Okay, here this one is 47.4, this one is 59.6, but you can see that this looks nice because there is some kind of a symmetry that has been added to this. Alright, let me copy this one again. And now you have to tell people that what exactly do you do. So for that, I would just like to go for a straight font, and I will make it, of course, a little smaller. And here, suppose I'm writing social media management. So whatever you do, you can just mention over here. Suppose if you are a virtual assistant, you are a video editor, you are whatever you do, whatever services you are providing, you can just mention here. So for instance, I'm adding social media management, FB ads and funnels. Okay, so let's suppose these are the services that I'm providing. This doesn't need to be of the same size. It can be a little bigger than your normal text also. Bigger than this line. Then it looks like there is a visual hierarchy. So we will go with that. This is the smallest, this is bigger, these two, and this is the biggest, in terms of length. After that, we need to add a button. Now buttons are of course not clickable, but do not worry about that. It just looks nice. It adds a wow factor. So I'll just go to elements and I'll take this one, this rounded square, and I will make it thinner. Okay. Now you can see it almost became like a button. I want it to be a little more square. So I'll just go here. First, let me change the color. So I'll select this yellow, and then I have this gradient. So I would like to use yellow and white. Okay, I like that. And here the corner rounding thing, I'll just decrease it a little bit. So what happens? Now it looks better to me. Okay, I'll place it here. I want it a little thinner, and then inside of it I have to add a text. So whatever is your CTA, like suppose if you are selling a course, then you can add a CTA enroll now, or if you are hosting some kind of event, then you can say join now, register now. So right now, because I'm just advertising through this cover that this is my marketing media services, my agency, if you want, you can join us or you can contact us. So I'll just write here, this will be called contact us. Alright, and this needs to be in a different color because here it's not getting highlighted because of the white color, the background, there is no contrast. So I'll just change the color to black, and you will see it's bold now, and immediately you will see that this is visible, like you can see it with your eyes. Alright, after that I have to add a few icons also. So what do? I'll look up for a phone. Okay, and let's use this one. This will be yellow, and so I'll just select yellow and I will place it in the very corner. These will be very small. Okay, so just I'm giving our details. Then I would also like to give our website. So I'll add website icon, and just find a website icon for which you can change the color. So yes, you can change the color from here. So let's use this one again in yellow, and this will be like that. Okay, after this, the third thing that I would need is Instagram icon, because we are most active on Instagram. So I just want to make sure that whoever comes to my Facebook account knows that what is our account name on Instagram. So that's why I'm adding this. Alright, once you are done with that, I'm just making sure that it's of the same size. You can see the guides over here. It is telling me that it's of the same size. Alright, if you want, you can put a line and just check whether all three are of same size or not. So they are good for me. I will take this ruler and place it here because my text will start from this area. Okay, now I'll just increase the canvas size. You can increase it from here because I want to add some thin text, small text rather. So I'll just copy this again. Suppose our phone number is plus 12345678990. Okay. Then website will be www, okay, it needs to be small, 1 second, www.ranjitraj, whatever is your email ID. Or if you want to add your YouTube channel, you can add YouTube icon and you can just add the link to that. And this one on Instagram, I would just add instagram.com/ranjitraj official. Okay, so I've just added all these things and let's make it smaller. Okay, and we are done. Now, how to make sure whether your text and everything is properly visible on desktop and on your laptop too? Just make sure that whenever you have a ruler, just bring it 100. When you see your 100 points, just make sure that you bring it like this. Okay, you will see some lines which is showing you a rectangle. See, there is this rectangle that is getting highlighted. If you can see this. So try to maintain this much space so that everything is circled toward the center. Okay, so in this way what happens, the inside of it will be properly visible on your laptop or on your phone, and this entire thing will be visible. So in both your devices, your content will be visible. Let me present the screen and see. This is how your cover is going to look like. Your Facebook cover is going to look like when you create it the way I showed you. It's very simple. I hope you liked it. If you want to change the colors, suppose, so just go to styles, and from here, if you have your color palette saved, you can simply click and change the entire scene over here. Okay, can you see that? So just minor changes. If I want to change it to red, and this color I would like to change to red, and this also I will just change from yellow, I would like to change it to red. Okay, so immediately you see the entire color theme has changed and it looks so nice. Alright, can you see this? So let me just remove the rulers from here so that you have a clearer view. In case you want one more thing that you can add, if you want to add a little bit of picture in the background, like a texture, you can go to photos and look up for office desk. Okay, this can be something you can add. Suppose you want this kind of an effect, you just add it in the background, drag and drop, and then decrease the transparency. Okay, like that. So can you see there is a depth that has been added to the photo? So if you are a fan of this, you can definitely add something like this. Let me present it. So this is how the one with transparency option looks like, and this is how the one without transparency in red tone, and this is the blue one that we initially designed. So I hope you liked the Facebook cover tutorial that we shared in this video. If you find it useful, just let me know in the chat section, in the comment section, what exactly did you like about this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it right now, because you are going to get more and more videos on Canva. And also like and share if you would like to share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time today. I'll see you in the next video.